Quick video on what you will find in a Chinese household spices drawer. So you can probably see there's so many different things here that we have on hand all the time and some spares in the corner. Yes, we do have some of the ready-made pots and pastes because some of them are just so good that they are quick enough to use whenever you feel like it. However, standard things we will have is dried chili, because any spicy dish is worth having some dry chili in it. Aromatic ginger, because that's also an essential. Sesame seeds. This happens to be popcorn because the boy likes popcorn. Sichuan peppercorns. Star anise. Dry chilies, because if you want to make proper Sichuan style food, it's got to be spicy, it's got to have these dry chilies in it. Now, as for these things, saffron, because we like to do Iranian chicken, but this is a mix of what you'll find in Five Guys. We've just made this up and we keep some of this on hand all the time because that's amazing also. As for the normal standard things, you can see we've got here ginger, garam masala, all these obviously for different style curries and things like that. Yes, we do different style curries. Piri piri, this is just a great mix of different spices when you want a quick mix of different things. The essentials will be garlic, salt, bay leaves, onions, salt, Cajun seasoning. We pretty much mix any of these up. And this thing here is really interesting because this is the Sichuan peppercorns, but we've got it in a pepper mill grinder. So you can sprinkle this in. If you don't like it too strong to have the whole things in there, you can have this to just put a small amount in there. White pepper we keep on hand, although we don't use a great deal of white pepper. This is an essential. This is chicken powder, and to the extent that we have backup supplies of this as well. We have backup supplies going down here in the huge tub that you can see here, and also black mushrooms and various other things here, various different nuts and seeds, all these things you can find around here, different flours, salts and sugars and backup supplies. That's it, really. These are the main essential ingredients. Let me know in the comments which one surprised you, and thanks for watching.